Students, today I am going to explain enthalpy. In that one, enthalpy changes. What does it mean by enthalpy? What does it mean by enthalpy? The enthalpy nothing but sum of internal energy is added to product of pressure and volume, present volume of the system is called as enthalpy. Is called as enthalpy. Now see the properly. Sum of the internal energy is added to product of pressure and volume of the system is called as enthalpy. Now this enthalpy represented as a H. Now change in enthalpy. Now change in enthalpy. Change in enthalpy, that is we can write as delta H. It is a H2 minus H1. Otherwise it is a H2 or H final. Now otherwise H1 we can write as initial enthalpy and final enthalpy, that is we can write that is a delta H. Now we can write as delta H is equal to HF minus HI. It is the change in enthalpy. We can write the enthalpy changes. Now in this case it is a enthalpy is a state function. Enthalpy is a state function and enthalpy is a extensive property Now it do not depends on the path of the system. Now if enthalpy of this one we can write as enthalpy of product minus enthalpy of reactant also we can write. Now enthalpy of product is greater than enthalpy of reactant, then delta H is positive quantity. Then this is a positive quantity. Now if enthalpy of reactants is greater than enthalpy of product, then delta H is negative quantity. Now one word is, if enthalpy of reactant is equal to enthalpy of product, then they are in equilibrium. Then they are equilibrium. Now in this case, delta H is change in enthalpy is positive quantity, nothing but endothermic process and non-spontaneous. Now enthalpy of change in enthalpy is negative quantity. It is a exothermic process. It is a spontaneous process also. It is a spontaneous process also. It is also spontaneous process. Now generally we can write as enthalpy as per the definition. As per definition, sum of internal energy. It is represented by H symbol. We know enthalpy is equal sum of internal energy symbol. We know already. Yesterday we discussed internal energy as added is plus the product of pressure and volume, P and delta V. It is the formula of enthalpy. This is the formula of enthalpy we can use for the calculation. Now change in enthalpy change. Enthalpy changes. Now delta H change in enthalpy is equal to change in internal energy plus P delta V. Now this P delta V we can write as delta E minus P delta V. This one we know already. It is the W minus we know already minus P delta V is equal to the W. We can write now delta H is equal to change in enthalpy is equal to change in internal energy minus W. This is also we can write the formula. Now in this case W is equal to minus P delta V. Now we can write as minus delta V. We can write V2 minus V1. Also we can write it is also one of the changes. I'm repeating one more time. The enthalpy changes. Change in enthalpy we can write change symbol is, that is the delta enthalpy H is equal to we know formula E plus P delta V. Now theta E plus P delta V. Now this is we can write as minus P delta V. Minus of P delta V is equal to we know W. Now substitute the W in place of P delta V. Now we can get the equation delta H is equal to P delta E minus W. Now within this case also we can write one more change, that is V2 minus V1 P minus. Now in these cases this E comma H is also state functions and extensive properties. properties and independent of the path adapted. Now one more is a very important point. One more very important, enthalpy. Enthalpy of an element. Enthalpy of an element is zero. These are nothing but in gaseous or liquid, solid or combined as hydrogen. In this case, this all cases we are taken as 0. This all cases we can take as 0.